Hey dears, I'm about to start baking now and I want to carry you guys along a typical baking day in my life. So I'm able to do this because I haven't got much to bake today. On a very typical baking day, I won't even have time to do anything at all because it will be choking. I've done basically everything. I'm just doing the last bit.
Either I'm listening to maybe a sermon or just listening to music. Something has to keep a girl going.
I've got a baby. I've got a 4-month-old. When that baby wakes up now, everything will just have to be paused. So I need to hurry up. So it's about 11 p.m. So it's late in the night. These things I'm baking now, I'm posting them tomorrow. So I need to get them ready as soon as possible. So I will bake until morning, which is why I've decided to change my posting days from Monday to Wednesdays to just Wednesdays. Reason is because you can see how tiring it is. So imagine me not sleeping from Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So it's a lot of work. I have to be kind to myself, to my body, and to my baby as well. I hope you guys understand and bear with me. So every order from Thursday until Tuesday will be posted on Wednesday. Okay? Thank you. Alright, come on, let's start. Buy your fresh Nigerian, you can see what I'm making here. So I've mixed all the dough and I wrapped all of them individually just like this one. This helps me to know the amount of dough I should use for a particular amount of meat pie. So you understand, and it makes the work easier as well. Look at our filling, very rich, very lush, very, everything so nice and tasty. So, and you can see it's very big as well. So it's a meaty pie. Now this is it, and then this is everything for this tray. Then I'm going to wash with an egg wash and then put that in an oven to bake. On this side, I'm getting the egg ready for the egg roll. I'm making egg roll as well this very night. So, and then I had to get the egg ready as well. I was also making sausage roll, so this is me making the sausage roll on this side. Like, so many things were going on at the same time, and I was just trying to hurry up so that baby will not wake up and meet me in the kitchen. So I'm done with the sausage roll. I made more, but I didn't want to, bore you guys with all of them. So this is me putting that in the oven. And then this is me just washing with an egg wash just to put them in an oven. Then this is me mixing the dough for the egg roll. My god. So it was a lot on that very night, even though the other wasn't much. But when I was trying to meet up with time just so that baby will not catch me, a lot of things went down. Look at our egg roll, very lush. So we're still going. Baby's awake now, so I'm packing. So baby woke up and I couldn't continue, so I had to stop filming. There are so many other things in the background, but I couldn't show you guys all of them because she woke up. This is me packaging them for postage and for local delivery. So this is just me putting them in their individual bags, and then this one is for postage. These ones will be posted. And basically that is it. This is my husband taking them out for delivery and postage.